Chuck Hagel hasn't been officially nominated for Secretary of Defense, and yet he is already under fire. The former Republican senator is the target of a full-page ad in the Washington Post by the Log Cabin Republicans, a gay GOP rights group. Now, the ad criticizes Hagel's record on issues of LGBT equality and includes a timeline of the senator's record on gay rights. How troublesome is this ad for Hagel?
Well, I don't think it will necessarily doom his nomination or anything. I mean, what we're hearing from Republican senators who do oppose Hagel center more on his foreign policy views on Israel and on Iran. The Log Cabin Republicans, this is the second full-page ad they've taken out against him. The first was in the New York Times that it focused on his record on gay rights, Iran, and Israel. This one in the Washington Post today is solely on gay rights. Another Republican gay rights group, Go Proud, they tweeted that they think that this is a smear. They have no problem with Hagel's record on gay rights. So I don't think in the end it will be anything that will doom his nomination.
But his record speaks for itself, doesn't it? In 1996, he would have voted for the Defense of Marriage Act, and then also in 99, he would have opposed repealing Don't Ask, Don't Tell. If he does get this job, he's going to have a lot of responsibility. And do you think at least people have the right to be concerned? Let's just put aside this ad for a second. Do people have a right to be concerned about Hagel's nomination?
Absolutely, and I hope he's asked about it during his hearings in the Senate. The Don't Ask, Don't Tell was repealed in 2010, but the next defense secretary is going to have to continue to oversee the implementation of the repeal. And there are issues. Gay rights groups, for example, want more partner benefits for same-sex, for service members who are gay. You know, there are issues, and the question is, where does Chuck Hagel stand on those? Does he favor granting more benefits, for example, to same-sex couples? I think those are real questions that should be posed to Chuck Hagel.
I did want to share this for you. I just found this article. This is referenced in the article right here. This is a new one from Rick Jacobs, the chair of 750,000 member Courage campaign. He says why Chuck Hagel should be Secretary of Defense. And if I just scroll down, it's this paragraph where he kind of sums it up. This is his take saying, let's be clear about one thing. No one's trying to derail his nomination attack because of his qualifications. That this really, Amanda, is about scoring political points. I mean, at the end of the day, that's what we continue to see when people are opposing nominations. It doesn't always come down to policy, right?
Well, I think that's what upsets some people about what Log Cabin Republicans are doing. For example, they gave a qualified endorsement to Mitt Romney in the presidential campaign. Mitt Romney taken very hardline positions against gay rights. He also said he supported keeping Don't Ask, Don't Tell in place. He said that he is opposed to same-sex marriage, and he really never apologized for those, and yet they endorsed him. So some people are saying right now it seems like what the Log Cabin Republicans are doing is, as you said, trying to score political points.